Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for clicking on my racing video. We are watching Heat 1 at Eastern Creek for the first round of the championship. I hope you all enjoy my racing video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Like the video if you enjoyed the race, and share my channel and videos around so others can also enjoy them. This was a great weekend of racing. I also made a few new friends and had a few people come up to me saying that they watch and enjoy my racing videos, which warmed my heart. I was on pace all weekend, which is a first, and it felt great. I had some hiccups during racing, but I did well to overcome them. Started off pole in this heat. There was a bit of a dodgy start that put me on the back foot from the get-go. Just had to focus, keep my head down and push. Enjoy the race. Thank you for sticking around and watching the whole race. So it was definitely a jump start from the three on the right. Second is not allowed to accelerate or move ahead of me before the lights go out. The person in pole, which was me, controls the pace, not second. Second place shouldn't be speeding up in hopes that I speed up to keep in front of him. That's not how it works. They should have technically been penalised, but it never happened, and it is what it is. I just controlled myself and stayed focused to claim a victory. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and I'll see you at the next race. Peace.